Dude, you're the same as Eric's, dude. What up?
What up? Back in the garage. We got Mr. Matt Ward here, and we got the Celica in the garage once again. So we're back to the Toyotas. We worked on Matt's Honda Accord last video. And today we got a super fun video. Some super easy mods that honestly make like the biggest transformation to the car. Right, Matt?
Yeah.
Coils and wheels. Honestly, like first thing you do to a car, in my opinion, should be lower it and then put wheels on it. You get the biggest transformation, and it is just the most fun because it changes the whole look of the car, makes it look, you know, lower to the ground, sleeker. Before I show you guys the wheels that we got on it and before we start putting on the coilovers, the one thing I wanted to finish up on this was the power steering noise. So Matt suggested bleeding it, or at least trying to do like a flush. So I got my turkey baser and we're gonna suck some power steering fluid out, see if we can get the whining noise down. So we're gonna start with that. Honestly, I've been lazy, so I don't have this thing registered and inspected and on the road yet, but once I get it lowered, once I get rid of that power steering noise, I'll be ready to put this thing on the road. Probably start daily driving it to work a little bit, just because switch things up and have some fun. So I went ahead and also got this huge subwoofer box out of the back. I am not going to be using that. Honestly, the wiring was kind of a mess and sketchy back there, so I wouldn't have trusted it anyways, and I just wanted to get it out of there. It's a lot of weight and I don't necessarily need it. So all right, let's get started. All right, so this is what I believe the best way to swap out fluid. What do you think, Matt? Is that pretty dirty?
Yeah, it's supposed to be, I think, clear.
I've seen it like red, amber. Either way, we're switching it.
Alright. Press the wing.
I mean, this stuff isn't clear, but they make some additive that helps quiet stuff, so I guess I could try that if this ends up still not working.
Power steering fluid and ATF basically are the same thing sometimes.
Oh, shoot.
You're fine.
Dude, I think this thing's just supercharged.
No need for them turbos then.
We can't figure out where the wine's coming from. It's probably power steering, but bleeding it didn't help, and I don't feel like looking for it right now. All of the pulleys feel fine. So we took the belt off and the noise stopped, so we know it's either the power steering pump, alternator, AC, idler pulley. We know it's nothing in the timing or crankshaft or anything. So for now, I'm leaving it. I'll deal with the noise. Maybe it'll go away. We can only hope. Let's get some coilovers on this thing.
All right.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Car is up in the air, at least the front is, so we'll start with the front coilovers. So we are going extremely budget with this suspension setup, and by budget I mean free. I was generously donated my brother's old coilovers, which have gotten the GAStanceHouse treatment done to them. So anything you can imagine to stance your car, make your coilovers go lower, modify the coilovers, these have had them done. So these are Raceland coilovers for the Celica. They have top hats added to them to allow for camber. So they got adjustable camber plates. Those camber plates were modified to allow for more camber. So additional camber plates, modified camber plates. There's two modifications. These fronts have different springs with, I believe, they're shorter with a stiffer spring rate for more low. The brackets were cut off and re-welded on higher. That way they could be mounted higher on the shock, which allows you to go lower. So long story short, these things are all set up to completely slam your Celica on the ground, which we're not doing today. We are gonna go with a functional setup that I can drive to work, that won't be bottoming out and scraping everywhere. So I'll flash up on the screen how these coilovers are set up right now at the height Lake's car was whenever he took them off. So I'm probably gonna try to go maybe like just a tad lower than that, because I think the tires that I have are slightly more stretched. We'll see. I also need to roll my fenders, so that's kind of the decision right now. Do I bother doing that right now?
I think the ride height is fine now.
How about this? Let's set it so that I don't have to roll. Let's set it so I don't have to roll the fenders. We'll just get them on, get the wheels on. It'll be lower than it is. Yeah, let's set it up that I don't have to roll the fenders. So we'll have some wheel gap, but it'll get it lower, more streamlined. And then another day, I'll roll the fenders, go lower. We're gonna run out of daylight quick today, so.
And out of energy too.
Into the scrap bin.
Yeah. Oh, you already took the...
Yes, sir.
I love it in the last video where it's like, I was getting pissed and you're like, you good? I was like, no, I'm playing patty cake.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
It was like 2 a.m. I was laying in bed and I just busted out laughing.
Is that when you watched it?
Yeah.
Dang, true fan.
What up? Yeah.
So we already went through the,
Dude, who's like terrible at singing across the street?
is that over there?
Yeah.
Yes, we already did the driver's side, which we went through all of our learning experiences. So we went through all of our learning experiences. I found out that with a quick call to Lake, my brother, I found out that the stock end links need to either be shortened or use a shorter one. So I have these old ones from the MR2 that are short enough. So that's what I'm using. Just swapping those out. Here, you can use this.
Don't tell me what I can do.
Just watch the battery might fall out.
Don't tell me what to do. What's that off of?
Yeah. Let us know if you know what that is. Have a nice day.
Don't tell me what to do.
Bingo.
What handed that?
Boom. Boom. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
All right, I'm not showing them the wheels yet. I'll show them whenever we put the back ones on. But I am gonna show them how low it goes, so. Oh, they can probably see the wheels.
You can blur them out.
All right, see what happens.
There's only one problem though.
You can't get the jack out?
No.
What? There's no way it sits that low, dude. How? That's actually hilarious. I guess I just can't put the jack in that far. I gotta jack it up out on the end. Yeah, dude, that subframe hangs low. Who would have thunk? Oh, dude.
Thank you.
Nice. I really want to show you guys the wheels because this thing is looking sick, but I'm refraining because it's gonna be way better once they're all on. So we're gonna knock out the back really quick. Probably won't film too much of it.
Let her down.
You can do the honors, Matt.
All right.
Oh my, the no-handed. Oh, thank goodness.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, nice. Throw a spacer on there, roll the fenders.
Yeah. All right, time to eat.
Yeah, let's go eat. I'll get some glamour shots tomorrow before sunset. What is up, guys? It is another day. I realized I didn't do a great job filming the rear coilover install. So sorry about that. But the car is lowered on the wheels. Stay tuned because I am going to be I am going to be dialing in the fitment a little bit in a future video, but for now it is looking very nice, and here it is. So like I said, the car is looking good. A lot of things to finish up on it. Some little detail things. The dent here, I'm gonna try to work out. The headlights need to get cleaned up. There's some clear coat issues on this hood scoop, and I need to paint the gas lid. The rear fitment is pretty whack right now, so I got some spacers here for that. And then I'm gonna lower it a little bit more, roll the fenders, get that looking good. The front is actually looking really good already. But I do still need to do an alignment and get the toe straightened out. That way I'm not wearing tires. The interior needs a good detail. So I want to get that all cleaned up. That way this thing's really nice to drive and starts feeling a little bit more like mine. So stay tuned for all that stuff. I'm going to be doing a video very soon where I pretty much do all of that stuff, all that detail stuff in one video, get this thing looking sharp and cleaned up. And anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys like these white wheels on the black Celica as much as I do. I think the 5 spokes look really great. Anyways, stay tuned for more cool stuff in the garage. That's all I got. See ya.